Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I know that I started some Christmas videos, but I wanted to step back a little bit and do another fall video. I made my mom a Christmas sign last year and I didn't get to do the other side, so I told her that I would make sure that I would do one for this year. So I figured I would show you all how to make a cute little Scarecrow porch sign using some wood. The length of wood I am using is 24 inches. I had some pre-made pieces of wood lying around, so I figured that I could make a few things for last Christmas for my family. So now I'm getting to the other side of them. So, like I said, making a cute little scarecrow with mostly Dollar Tree items. This is a ruler that I'm painting with brown paint. I painted both sides, although I'm not sure why I painted both sides because the other side of this piece of wood is white. So I will worry about that later. I guess I got a little ahead of myself. Before I forget, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, like, share, and thank you so much for all the support already. And it's so nice to just grab things from the Dollar Tree and create something so cool. So right now I am painting the hat. And there goes my computer making noises. Thanks a lot. That's okay. Once I finished the hat, I think I used my Dune chalk paint. I love, that's like one of my favorite chalk paints I've been using lately. For the face, and then at the bottom is orange. And always as I'm trying to craft, I always have everyone around the table trying to hang out with me, so you will see people in the background, you will see me talking. It is never quiet in this house, which is perfectly fine with me. So here you see me, like I said, doing the other side of the ruler. There is a little hole on the ruler. I use little sequins that I found at the Dollar Tree. I found some like fall looking color that you see at the bottom there, and I glued on the ruler, and then I took 3 little pieces of the sequins and I put them in the hole, and I found a sunflower at the Dollar Tree that I used to put over in the corner of the hat. So here you see me gluing on the sequins. I picked the orange. It was really pretty, just to hide that little hole over there. And then I had some straw laying around. I know that they do have that also at the Dollar Tree. So I just glued a few pieces on there, and then I started painting his face. And then I couldn't find a toothpick. I had a toothpick and then I lost it, so I was like, oh well, let me just use the stem from the sunflower, and it worked the same way. So you see me using different items, and you keep seeing my children in the background. Whenever I'm crafting, they're like, Mom, can I craft too? So I'm like, sure, go right ahead. So this was easy to do. I lost the piece where I did the vinyl, but I did it on my Cricut, and it says, "It's fall, y'all." And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and oh, it's so cute. My mom's gonna love it. Don't forget, subscribe, like, share. See you next time. Bye.